Welcome to a new lesson of the AJAX Foundations course of Race Karate. In the previous lesson, we learned the basic steps for create an AJAX request. Remember the third step, open a request. In this step, we used the open method. We specified the HTTP method and the URL for our request. The most common methods are get and post. We use get when you are receiving or obtaining information from a server, for example, the results of a search or a set of tweets. We use post when we send data to the server that is going to be saved, like a newsletter subscription, a user registration, or create a new tweet. We make get requests all the time. If you type racekarate.com from your browser, you are making a GET request for obtaining the website in that web server. All we need for a GET request is a URL. In AJAX, frequently we want to obtain complex information and we need more than a URL. We can use what is called a query string. It is basically send information through the URL. For example, in this URL, we are adding a variable called firstname equals Sebastian. Usually, the information in a query string is used for searching a database. In this example, we are sending one variable, but we can send more. We can use spaces, the plus symbol, or the ampersand. However, the browser decodes these characters, and we will see that later on. As you can see in the get method, everything is sent to the URL. But suppose you need to send sensitive data like a password or personal information of your user. If you send this information through the URL, your application will be very insecure. In addition to that, the amount of information you can pass through the URL is very limited. Internet Explorer only supports URLs that have up to 2083 characters long. When you need to send sensitive data or lots of information like a blog post, GET is not a good choice. That's why HTTP offers a method called POST. The POST method sends information in a different way. While GET uses the URL for send data, POST sends the data through something called the body of the request. For example, if you have a form for singing and you send a request using GET, the information will be in the URL. But if you send it through POST, the URL will not have extra information. The POST method requires a special codification, and also you need to set up a header for the request that is an instruction that tells the server how is structured the request. In the next lesson, we'll be talking about the AJAX response formats and security limitations. If you liked this video, please click the like button below, and if you want to watch more videos from us, you can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.